In section 2.3 we're looking at composite functions, and a composite function we're used to, I hope, from GCSE looks something like this. So fg of x means take x, put it through the function g, then put it through the function f. You can think of it, if you like, as f of g of x. So if I take f g of 2, then I take 2, I put it through the function g, I get an output. I take that output, I put it through the function f, and I get another output. Without recapping too much GCSE material, let's go straight into the A-level way of thinking about this. So that would be do function g, then do function f. So your input gets mapped to the output from function g, then that output gets mapped to the output by function f. And so that thing that would take you all the way from here to here in one go is called fg, right? We have notation that if we have function f followed by function f, we can write that as f squared of x. Sometimes that's helpful, sometimes it's more trouble than it's worth having that notation. Now, let's just think about domains and ranges a little bit. The range of g has to be the same as the domain of f. Okay. Now, sometimes we have functions here as the second function where the domain of it could be bigger than the domain of g. So let's take an example. If g is x squared, then the range of g is positive numbers. If x is the function x plus 3, then in this case, if f was just on its own, the domain of f would be all real numbers. But if f is following g, then the domain of f has now been restricted to the range of g. So the domain of f is now positive numbers only. Okay, so the output is positive numbers, or numbers bigger than 3 over here. Okay, 3 or bigger is the range of fg, even though if f was on its own, the range would be, again, all real numbers. So we have to worry a little bit about domains and ranges. Other than that, composite functions work the same way as they did at GCSE. And if you look at the examples, it's very much that idea. You input a number into a particular function, put it through the first expression, put it through the second expression, and those sorts of things. And I think that is it on that section. Nice short video.